Welcome to the third video in Section 2, Creating Akka with Props. In the previous video, we explored Akka components and Akka lifecycle. In this video, we will take a look at Akka definition and creation. We'll touch up on props, and finally, we'll talk about recommended practices. Let's get started. As we saw from the previous section, an Akka class is implemented by extending the Akka class and implementing the receive method. But what's a props? Props is a configuration class to specify options for the creation of actors. Now it is time to get some coding under our belt. We need to define two actors, music player and music controller. Music player can handle two messages, stop music and start music. And music controller can handle two messages, play and stop. When music player receives the start music message, he will create an instance from music controller and send play message for him. So let's start with music controller. First we need to define messages. Let's use the best practices to define messages which the actor handled in the companion object for an actor. Also create a sealed trait that any message should extend it. Now, let's create the music controller class that extends the actor trait and defines our receive method. When it receives the play message, it prints out music started, and when it receives the stop message, it prints out music stopped. Now, let's create the music player actor. Let's define messages for the music player actor. First, we'll define the companion object for the music player actor and also define two case objects for our messages, stop music and start music. Then, let's complete our implementation and handle two messages. When it receives the stop music message, we will print out, I don't want to stop music. When it receives the start music message, it needs to create the music controller instance and send this message for it. Now, let's create a running instance from the music player actor. Of course, we should not forget to create our actor system. Let's express this line. The actor system requires the configuration for our actor to be able to create the actor environment. This configuration is the props class so that we can pass the props of the music player actor to the actor system. Next, we send the start music message to the music player actor. Now, let's run the app. There are our messages. Great! Our code is running. That's okay, but our code needs some enhancement. The first thing is the actor receives the block. It is a partial function. This means you need to provide a pattern match for all messages that it can accept, and if you want it to be able to handle unknown messages, then you need to have a default case. So let's go about defining the general case. The second thing is that declaring one actor within another is very dangerous and breaks actor encapsulation. Never pass an actor's this reference into props. Recommended practice here is defining the method props in the companion object for the actor that returns props for the actor. Now, let's run the app again to ensure that it's still running. Excellent! It works. In the next video, we will talk about how to send messages to the actor via Ask and Tell. See you!